Good morning, good morning, good morning. All the Bynum, good morning. Ham and cheese, good morning. Cheese grits, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This, what's behind me, is Alden Bynum. Good morning. I know we're going to talk about bowl game, dog. You feel me, dog? Now, one of the bowl games I won't talk about, they don't even have the sponsorship no more and they slipping, dog. Y'all ready for it, dog? Remember Popeyes used to have the Bahamas Bowl? Like 3 years ago, 2.5 years ago? You feel me, dog? Right? Just think. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna say Popeyes. For real, you gotta get back into the sponsorship bowl business because this would have been your year, Popeyes. Popeyes, this would have been your year. You crushed it, right? And so, just think, if you were O lineman, a D lineman, right? And Popeyes sponsoring the food, it was the Bahamas Bowl. They gotta have one. I don't know. They'll make a way. How they did at the White House, they'll make a way, right? So, that's a nice Silverado. So, you at the Bahamas Bowl. Popeyes! Bahamas Bowl, and Popeyes just came off a wonderful year, right? The stuff that was going on, right? This is your year, Popeyes, for the bowl game, right? So just think about it. You know what I'm saying? You come from practice, or y'all got to spread out, or y'all in the room, y'all got because every I think